Bisphenol-a BPA is a white to light brown flake or powder chemical used in industries to make polycarbonate plastics or epoxy resins. Examples of polycarbonate plastics are eyeglass lenses, water bottles, CDs, DVDs, cell phones, computers, as well as food containers. Examples of epoxy resins are printed circuit board, adhesives, and automobile primers.
The chemical BPA can cause various health problems such as cancer, changes to the reproductive system and sexual behavior, thyroid functioning, as well as neurological effects and obesity. In August of 2010, Statistics Canada reported that measurable levels of BPA were found in the urine of 91% of Canadians between the ages of 6 and 79. One method to measure levels of BPA is high-pressure liquid chromatography, and now Jim will explain to us how this extraction method works.
To extract BPA from a sample, you take the sample and you put it in hot water at 40 degrees for 24 hours, or 0.07 molar HCl for 2 hours. You can then take an aliquot of this sample and put it in an HPLC machine. This sample then is pushed through the HPLC machine at high pressure. Every chemical, including BPA, interacts with the stationary phase of the column slightly differently. This makes each chemical elute out of the end of the column at a different time. This is what is known as the retention time. And each retention time for every chemical is different. In this case, BPA's retention time was 5. The area under this peak here corresponds to the total amount of BPA in the original aliquot, which then you can use to get the concentration of the BPA that was in the original sample.
Previously, Health Canada had concluded that BPA does not pose a health risk to the public through exposure. However, through recent studies, it had been concluded that BPA does pose neural and behavioral effects on people. And as such, Health Canada is now supporting a movement to add BPA to the Schedule I chemicals of the Canadian Environmental Protection Act. So, how can you decrease your exposure to BPA? Firstly, when selecting beverages, opt to bypass the less healthy beverages such as Schweppes Ginger Ale, Gatorade, and Coca-Cola, and opt for the more healthy BPA-free alternatives such as a delicious Chardonnay, a Shiraz, or beer. Finally, when reheating foods, it has been proven that heating increases the leaching of chemicals such as BPA. So when you're heating food in microwaves, bypass plastic containers such as this for healthier alternatives such as glass and ceramics. For more information on BPA, please consult the Health Canada website.